Friends, in today's video, we'll discuss about zeolite, which was used as oxygen concentrators. Now, what is zeolite? Zeolites are highly porous 3D meshes of silica and alumina with nanometer sized pores that are rigid and flexible. So, this is a type of metallic organic fermax MOFs, and as we know, there are several uses of MOFs or metallic organic fermax. For example, for gas storage, and in case of hydrogen storage in fuel cells, in catalysis where they replace very expensive metals, and in sensors they are also used, and in drug delivery they are used. So for drugs like anti-cancer drug and other drugs who have a very severe side effects, such drugs can be trapped in the porous channels of metallic organic frameworks, and they are released in small and steady doses at the specific required sites. Now, what are the uses of zeolites? In nature, zeolites occur where volcanic outflows meet water. So now the synthetic zeolites have proven to be a big and low cost material for making oxygen concentrators, which can be used for personal use for one person, and it was very much in use and very much in news during the COVID pandemic time. Now, what is the principle behind these zeolite oxygen concentrators, and how the zeolites work as an oxygen concentrator? So, at the heart of this technology are synthetic frameworks of silica and alumina with nanometer size pores that are rigid and inflexible. So, beads of zeolite 13x about a millimeter in diameter are packed into two cylindrical columns in an oxygen concentrator. The task here is to separate oxygen from nitrogen in the air. So, being highly porous, the zeolite beads have a surface area of about 500 square meters per gram. At high pressures in the column, the nitrogen is in a tight embrace with the zeolite. So, interaction between the negatively charged zeolite and the asymmetric nucleus, that is quadrupole moment of nitrogen, causes it to be preferentially adsorbed on the surface of the zeolite. So, oxygen remains free and it is thus enriched because nitrogen is absorbed. So, oxygen is the only gas that is remains free, and so the air is enriched. So, air has, as you know, air normally has 78% nitrogen and 20.9% oxygen, and smaller quantities of other gases like argon, carbon dioxide, etc. So, once nitrogen is absorbed by zeolite, what is left and what flows out is 90% plus concentrated oxygen. So, after this, lowering the pressure in the column releases the nitrogen, which is flushed out, and this cycle is repeated with fresh air. So, another batch of concentrated oxygen is released. So, this is the principle behind the oxygen concentrators in which zeolite is used. So, in India, in previously during the COVID pandemic, Indian Institute of Science has transferred this technology to more than 20 companies for making oxygen concentrators. So, this zeolite has future, and it can be used in future as oxygen concentrators in view of this pandemic. So, friends, thanks for watching, and please feel free to contact us in our mail ID for more updates, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.